Music lovers are anticipating the release of a new track by reggae artists Tanya, Stella Marley, and Diana King. The three iconic women have combined their talents on a new single dubbed Diamonds in the Sun, which addresses the abuse of women and ends on a note of hope. All three entertainers have always been active voices on issues that affect women and are high on the advancement of females. Diamonds in the Sun will be featured on Tanya Stephens' 10th studio album, scheduled to be released in July. The album will be produced by Tad's Records and comes 8 years after her last project, Guilty, which was released in 2014. As the greatest reggae show on earth, Reggae Sumfest, makes its return this year, the organizers of the show have confirmed a slew of reggae and dancehall artists for this year's staging of the festival. The lineup reveal on their official Instagram account already sees dancehall artists Dexter Daps, Sizzla Kalonji, Spice, Idonia, Alkaline, Governor, and Ding Dong, as well as Lali and Iwata, plus Chanel Muir. Reggae Sumfest is slated for July 18 to 23 in Catherine Hall, Montego Bay. The week-long festival includes a slew of parties and ends on a high with 2 nights of on-stage performances. R&B singer Kelly Rowland has debuted her new children's book titled Always With You, Always With Me. In a post online, Kelly shared the details about the book, which she hopes will inspire families.
Always With You, Always With Me is a story about family, love, and feeling close to each other even when you're apart. Now, as a busy mom, a working mom, this story is so close to my heart. I hope that Always With You, Always With Me creates moments for families to spend time together reading, and that it helps make those moments apart a little bit easier. Always With You, Always With Me is in stores now, and I hope you'll check it out.
Always With You, Always With Me is the second book by Rowland following the release of 2017's Whoa Baby, a guide for new moms who feel overwhelmed and freaked out. Always With You, Always With Me premiered yesterday as an ebook, hardcover, and audiobook. Rowland is currently on set filming the live-action film Fantasy Football. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.